Want long-term growth with more than just stocks? FGRO has that covered. Stocks, bonds, crypto, wrapped, rebalanced, done. If you're trying to grow your wealth over time, but don't want to pick every fund, FGRO can offer an all-in-one portfolio built just for that. It's for investors who want to be in the market, but not all over it. FGRO is the growth-focused option in Fidelity's All-in-One ETF lineup. It launched in 2021 and is designed for investors looking to dial up their growth exposure without juggling a dozen tickers. It combines roughly 82% stocks, 15% bonds, and a small 3% crypto slice. So yes, it has stocks, but also income and a dash of digital assets. Think of it as a multi-tool for growth-focused portfolios. FGRO is built for long-term investors who want growth, but also know there could be volatility along the way. The stock portion spans global markets and includes strategies designed to focus on quality, momentum, value, and low volatility. The bond sleeve adds balance through shorter duration and investment-grade exposure, helping to smooth out bumps without slowing the ride. And that crypto allocation? Small by design, just enough to help diversify, not dominate. FGRO is a fund of funds. It holds a set of Fidelity ETFs inside. The stock piece includes both traditional stock funds and factor-based strategies. Factors use rules-based filters to pick stocks by identifying and following patterns that tend to repeat over time, rather than owning the whole market. The bond sleeve combines actively managed bonds with systematic strategies that use data to screen out riskier holdings. FGRO is also globally diversified. US, Canadian, and international markets, large cap, mid cap, small caps, stocks and bonds across sectors and regions. Let's be honest, most growth ETFs are just stock wrappers. FGRO is more thoughtful than that. It doesn't just chase performance. It uses filters to screen out low-quality companies, holds fewer but more selective names, and builds in a cushion with bonds and crypto. You also get active insight. Fidelity's fund managers oversee the holdings inside this ETF, and you don't have to lift a finger. Crypto? Handled. No logins, no cold wallets, no stress. FGRO rebalances automatically to stay on target, and if the market shifts, it adjusts behind the scenes. FGRO includes a large allocation to stocks, including growth-focused and factor strategies, a sleeve of bonds with active picks and data-driven filters, and a small crypto sleeve. This mix gives FGRO balance with a tilt toward long-term growth. FGRO is for investors who want growth and who understand that growth comes with risk. Not for cash hoarders, not for short-term traders, for people who want to stay invested, stay diversified, and grow over time. You don't pick each holding, but you're tapping into a strategy built by pros who know the markets. FGRO works as a core growth holding. TFSA, RRSP, non-registered account? It fits. It's designed for long timelines. Think retirement. Think major goals. This is the kind of fund you hold, not flip. It rebalances itself, set it, revisit it occasionally, let it work. FGRO is not flashy, but it is intentional. Stocks for growth, bonds for balance, crypto for a bit of edge. One ETF, multiple strategies, managed by Fidelity. If you want a growth-tilted portfolio that doesn't require constant babysitting, FGRO might fit the bill. FGRO gives you 82% stocks, 15% bonds, 3% crypto, global diversification, managed by Fidelity, auto-rebalance. That's the breakdown on FGRO. If it sounds like a fit for your goals, head to the fund page below. Thanks for watching.